Hey guys, Derek Humphrey from Hard Media Group. Hope you guys are doing well at Splash Financial. So wanted to get to know, what you guys are looking for in terms of, digital marketing. What you guys are looking for in terms of lead generation, right? Sometimes in the financial space, there are constraints and boundaries, what you can say, what you can put out. And of course, you guys know those boundaries well. So I was really interested in, what your ideas were, what were some of your goals and how did you want to go about it in terms of lead generation? And the same thing goes for the digital marketing space, right? Where you guys are looking to create more content, right? Which is king. Or were you guys looking to, maybe find your niche in the SEO space, right? Was it pay-per-click? Was it some, different things going on with the website and keywords and backlinking? Not really sure, but I was really interested in finding out. So, once again, Derek Humphrey, co-founder of Hard Media Group. We are a social media solutions firm located in Dayton, Ohio. Would love to hear back from you guys. Thank you.